Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 0.4 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into boot mode. So to get started, hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right now once the vibration hit. There we go. So once you see boot mode, you can let go of the keys. Now to navigate through this, you will need to use volume up only, and volume down will be used to select or confirm whatever is selected. And here we have only three options. So we have recovery mode as the first one. There we go. Then we have Fastboot mode as the second option, and normal boot as a third option, which takes you back to Android. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna stick with. The last one, which basically leaves this mode. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.